friends, welcome back to my channel DPAB. In this video, I'm just going to talk about how I'm coaching Microsoft Excel through UrbanPro. I'm an authorized tutor for UrbanPro in the last 3 or 4 years. Okay, so this is a feedback from Bharat, a student from Bangalore. He has written this. Thank you, sir, for being so patient and teaching me all of this. So these are the things you can just see here. He has learned by how to build the formula one, which is a complex formula using these are the built-in function. If, is error, and VLOOKUP. These three built-in functions together by nesting this, he has built a formula one. How to build the formula, I have coached him. Then formula two, which is again if, is error, XLOOKUP. These are the built-in function which is being used by him. Okay. So he wanted to know about this pivot table advanced one. So I have just asked him to give this. I have coached him yesterday and then given these two files for him to practice this. Pivot table, there are many advanced details are there. And another thing is target versus actual data. If it is having that, how to get the cumulative target, cumulative Excel, that is running total, which is the field available through pivot table. So these are the things I coached him. And if I go to here, the students here, then you will be able to see which are the other students I coached here now this through this UrbanPro. So many such people are very talented and then just learned. They have become talented and then learn from me. So this student Amit Gorpet from this one, no, he is from Bangalore. He has learned this is VBA. So he has learned VBA here. Then just see here, no. These are the feedback here. This is sorry, sir, mistake that inform me. I have come to my hometown for Ganesh festival like this. So some flexible hours also I'm just using this here. Okay. So this person has learned this VBA, Visual Basic for Applications. Okay. In VBA in Excel also he has learned many things. And one more student I will just show you here. So most of the people are coming from Bangalore because they are into this IT industry. They would like to know more about how to handle data very fast. So another student which I will be explaining to you now here. 1 second. This is the way. Okay, many people are there. Okay, Brita Bandari from Bangalore, Deepa from Bangalore, Sabha Bahar from Bangalore, this Namrita from Bangalore, Sargam from New Delhi, and Asya Nigam. She is the 9th standard for mathematics student from this Delhi. Anik, 9th standard student from Goa, and Nitin from this Tamil Nadu, Erode. Ramanatha, he is a retired person from BHEL from Chennai. He wanted to know about this, this stock market data, how to handle this. And Vivek Nair also from Bangalore. He has taken this course for VBA, how to write fast EBA using the AI tools, Copilot or ChatGPT like this. Krishna, he has become a director and then he has attended only 3 classes. Balance 3 classes, he could not find the time to attend this. And he told that whenever he finds the time, then he will come back to me. Dhanlakshmi Srinada from this is a girl from this Pune. She has attended this. And now Tathagat Raju is the 9th standard student from Nagpur. Ajit Kumar, his a daughter from Bangalore. She is attending for the 8th standard onwards. Now 9th standard also she has become a student for me from this mathematics. So what I wanted to say here, I am coaching many of these people for this Microsoft Excel. Anybody who would like to know this Microsoft Excel coaching, so please get in touch with me. My mobile number, I'll just type it here now. And you can just directly take the class to me. And please make a note of this. You can just learn this Microsoft Excel through in this English also as well as Tamil. Microsoft Excel Tamil வேணும்ன்றவங்க என்ன பண்ணுங்க எனக்கு கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. If you want Microsoft Excel coaching through this English as a language, please just contact me. My name is Prabhakar and I'm a BSc BTech graduate. BSc BTech from MIT, Madras Institute of Technology, Chromebed. and I have total 30 years of experience, 30 years of multinational companies working experience in the field of supply chain management. And my mobile number, you can just note down 968760746. So please speak to me and I will share you my email ID through which I will be conducting the classes through Zoom class, Zoom or Google Meet. These are the way we can just have this class. And if you want, no, Microsoft Teams, this is also possible. Any other, if you are comfortable with that, any other mode of this conducting the classes other than this Zoom class or Google Meet or MS Team, you can just tell me, we can just have these classes, okay? So please discuss with me about this, your need in Microsoft Excel or 8th standard, 9th standard mathematics classes for your child. Thank you. Take care. Bye.